Okay, today we are discussing about the magic strategy. Okay, the magic strategy, guys. Please, if you are new to this channel, do want to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so you get notified once a new video is uploaded. Okay, guys, this channel is bent on bringing to you a successful trading strategies that can make you and help you, guide you, make money in the financial market. All right, this is a business and you should treat it as a business. Okay, guys, if you want to join our general group where you get in touch with other traders that is more experienced than you, or you want to share your opinion, you want to help others, you can click on the link in the video description and you will join the group, HumbleFx group. Okay, in that place you have a community of people who are also traders. Some are novice, and you can help each others and make money. Okay, free signals are sent in there from other traders. Okay, you want to join our VIP group, you can do well. You can see a trade running here. This trade here is a trade we call on the VIP, and it is still running. You see our TP, you see our stop loss. Okay, it's still running and we are holding it. We are holding it. We are holding it for take profit or stop loss, and we believe for it to hit our take profit, guys. Alright, guys, let us go to our business. Please pardon my background noise. Alright, I'm at home and someone is doing noise. Pardon me, guys. Just understand what we are here for, and that is all. Okay, yes, there is settings stages here. Okay, let me tell you how to use it, and then we'll go to the setup, guys. And I would like you guys to watch the video right from start to the end. Do not skip it, do not scroll it, so you can get every gist of the strategy. You know, some of us will make the mistake of looking for the settings only without knowing how the strategy works, and after which we are being in a mess because we lose money even when it is working. Okay, when others are working with it, you are losing with it because you didn't get the gist well. So don't skip it. Maybe a sentence might you miss, maybe a problem to your trading in the strategy. So guys, watch it and understand it first. Okay, now let us check it out how it works. Now for the zoom level, on the zoom level of this trading strategy, the zoom level is zoom level 2. Okay, zoom level 2. This is the lowest zoom level. Okay, on the Android phone, you zoom it out 2 times. Zoom it out 2 times. This is the zoom level actually, because we want to see it clearly. We'll have to zoom out one more time. Okay, so this is the zoom level, guys. This is the zoom level. Okay, this trade actually I should enter it because there is a meetup here, but this one is not meeting. The main time is not meeting, so I'll have to ignore the trade. Yeah, I'll ignore it because two are not meeting up, only one is meeting up. Okay, now this is how it works, guys. Okay, this is boom 500 and we are looking for sales, and this setup can be used to catch spike. Okay, it can be used to catch the spikes. All right, so if you want to catch spike, let us the example like this. You see this is a setup. The market is already below the 20 region right here, and here also is below the 20 region. And on the chart, the red line is already crossing the purple line upward. Okay, so your entry, you should have entered your market at that when the red line cross upward. The first spike did not do that. Maybe you entered your market at this point. The spike happened. Okay, remember we are on the 5-minute time frame, which means it is a higher time frame. All right, the spike happened, and this thing was a cross over here, so that you should have entered your market right there and ride it, and you see the market has moved. It has actually, where are we? It has actually moved. Oh, what is this? I want to click on the arrow and I'm getting something something else, guys. Okay, now look at it here. Look at the oh. Okay, look at it here. We have these things here. The setup here meets at this point, this one meets at this point, and the crossover happen on the main chart. So we'll now take the trade. It's a buy signal for above 500. Okay, and again, when the markets go above the black line in the main chart, we know we are going to stay longer. We're going to stay longer in the market and see what happened. It went upwards. Okay, now for a sell signal, guys, for a sell signal, we have to wait for same thing to happen in the other way round. Look at it here. Where is this arrow? Let us take it out, take it to that as the other place. We want to wait for it to actually the gold line and the blue line. The blue is the Chimoku, the gold is a moving average. Okay, so we use it when the both of them is above or at a level of 80. You see them here, above or level of 80. All right, the second one too is still doing the same thing at that point. So we have triple edge sword here, guys. We have triple edge sword. That's why I call it the magic strategy, because it is a triple edge sword. Sorry for this, my drawing is not good enough. You see, also this green and purple also, they are above the level of 80 right here, and they are curving downward. Now look at the main chart. The main chart, the red line have to be crossing the purple line. You see, the red line should be crossing the purple line for our entry, and guess what? We should have entered our market right there, right at the cross of the red and purple line, and you see what we got. We got the movement down. Okay, and when it crossed the level of 50 again downward, we know we are going for a longer sell. Okay, and you know we are going for a longer sell. You can actually scalp only using this crossover at the main chart here. Scalp like 2-3 candles. You know that we are on a 5-minute time frame, so 2 candles there should be 10-minute candles, or 5-minute candles should be your 5-minute candles. So you can scalp 2, 3, 4 candles. Then when a cross happened here, you know you are staying for a longer period of time. And look at how it happened. That is for swinging. Remember, we are this setup works for both swinging and scalping, but for me, I prefer scalping than swinging, because scalping will give me will make me to stay less in the market. Okay, without being on without checking the chart all the time. I'll just scalp and I'll go my way to my work and all that. So that's what I do most time. I swing just sometimes, but not always. But scalping, I do that every day. Okay, now that's the first setup for boom 500. Let us check for other setup. These things happens, but you have to be patient enough to get it right. Okay, now see something here, see it here as well, a perfect one. There is a movement upward here to the level of 80. Here also the level is above level 80, and at the main chart here we see the cross of the red and the purple here. So we should enter the market here, even though it's by caught us, but we're not afraid of we're not afraid. It came down, crossed the level of EM850, which is the black line. We will now show that the market is going to go down more on our favor, and guess what, it went down on our favor before the spike happened. Okay, that's another one. Okay, you could see something happened here as well. You could see another entry here. The crossover has happened on the main chart here, and this one, the gold line is coming from the upward downward, and the Chimoku is already at the level of 80, coming downward. Right here as well, the gold and the green is crossing downward, so we are entering the market. We enter the market at the cross of this here, and we'll take our trade 2 to 3 candles. Then when it crossed the black line, we know we are going for a longer sale. And look at, we sold high. Okay, if you have sold for 5 candles, that is you have 25 minutes candles. Okay, if you have sold for 3 candles, you know what I've got. Okay, this is actually a good mine, guys. Look at perfect one here. Perfect one is here. Look at it. The cross has these tools, the Ichimoku and the other gold line is already at the level of 80, 90, coming downward. At the same time, this point also is already at the level or above 80, coming downward. And the cross has happened at the main chart. Look at the main chart already have a crossover here. So guys, you should enter the market once the market closes below the cross here, and ride it down. Look at it, the market crossed the level, the black line here, and guess what, it will take more candles downward. Okay guys, that is how effective and sweet it can be. Let's check for crash 500, then we'll go for the settings. All right, now this is crash 500, guys. Pardon me please, sorry for that. Okay, this is crash 500. We'll see what happened here. This one is crossed, but did not cross below the level of 80. And the MACD, the Ichimoku, and the gold color moving average has not actually come down to the level of 20 or so. So it's not a good market, except you want to scalp it with one minute time frame. Okay, remember this is just a 5 minute time frame. All right, so let me now tell you how you can scalp with the 1 minute time frame. Okay, before that, let me show you this. See an entry here. I love this entry, guys. The market met here, and the cross happened here. Look at it, moved up, and at least you should have taken your candles. Like I said, 2 to 5 candles is okay for you. Remember, you are on the 5 minute time frame, and that is I call it a swing. I call it a little swing trading. Okay, because you take 5 minute candles times 5, you know what I've got. Okay, now let us check on how to use it to scalp. If I want to scalp with it, I will go to 1 minute time frame. Okay, at this point, you still wait for this thing to meet as usual. Look at it here. I should enter my trade right now. I will enter a trade now if it meets right now. Look at here, the market has met up here. It is going up. If it crosses upward the level of 20 upward, look at this one too. The Chimoku and the gold line is already at the level of 20. If they cross above 20 and the red line crosses the purple, I will enter the market right here, right now, live. So you see what we are doing. See also here, the market has come over to this place, curve upward. This one to curve upward, and look at it. In the main chart, the red crosses the purple line. Guys, you should enter the market. Enter the market and take your candles. Take your candles. If you enter the market, don't stay long in the market, guys. Don't stay long. Stay just but a few minutes. Maybe you can decide to take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, even 10 minutes. It is your choice, knowing the trend of the market. Okay, but I would recommend you play safe so that you don't get yourself hurt. Okay, now let us look for more entries. This one actually met here, but this one did not meet. Okay, but because we are scalping, once two of the 3 is met, you can actually take your trade. But this Ichimoku is very important. Okay, Now this one met, this a cross happened in the main chart, so we should at least take 2 to 3 candles and exit the market. At least it will give us some profit before a spike will happen, even if it will spike on us. Okay, now look at another entry here. See, perfect one is here. Perfect one is here. Look at it here. A cross happened here, a cross happened here, and a cross happened here. Okay, and you see what happened. It moved, even though a spike caught us, but because the spike did not come below this level here, this other level here, I'm holding the market. Instead the spike down below this level, now I was exiting loss. But because the spike did not close below this level, the level below, I will not close it, I will hold it. And look at what happened. It came up to our profit and give us profit. Let us check if it has crossed. Let us take a live trade right here. It's not yet the way it, be sure it crossed. Now I think we have to enter the market. Let us do a live trade right now. Let's do a live trade, guys. All right, I will enter the market now. Let me check on the 5-minute time frame to see what's happening there. All right, I will enter the market now. At least it has crossed a little here, and here has met, here has met. Let me trade it, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's just see what we get. Okay, I'll sell my take profit to 5 candles. So 90, 79, 90, 79, 90, 79 plus 5 should be 84. Okay, 90, 84, and that's my take profit, guys. That might take profit. Might take profit. 5 candles. I'm taking 5 candles on the market. Only 5 candles. I can start to take more candles, but let me see how this one goes. All right. Now that is our. We want to do a live trade to show you guys how this stuff work. All right. Now see another entry here, guys. See another entry. I prefer to trade on the 1-minute time frame, guys. I would advise you to trade on the 1-minute time frame because it will give you more entry. Okay, and you will scalp your market easily and go away. Except you are a swinger, then you can go on high time frame or check your trend on the high time frame, then come back to 1-minute time frame and scalp your market. Okay, I scalp I scalp like this, and I'm okay with it. Okay, look at it. Look at it here. It met here. It's met here, even though the Ichimoku is not actually on the level of 20, because 2 has met, this one has met, this one has met. Okay, I will enter the market and take like 3 to 5 candles and I will exit. Look at it here, it moved my favor and go my way. Okay, you can check more and more. Look at another. This one is perfect entry. Perfect one is here. The something the setup showed up here. It showed up here and it showed up here. So we have 3 things to trade with now. It moved and crossed the black line as well. So we have another entry. We enter again. If we take like 3 candles here exit before this spike. If it's crossed the level of 50, we enter again and take more profit from it. Okay, now let us check for more entries. While we wait for our trade to go. While our trade is running, we're checking for other entries to see what's up. You see, we are still going, guys. We are still going. We take 5 candles. Okay, we should actually stay up to 10, but because of the video, I don't want to stay longer in this market, in this video. That is why I will just set it so you see it, okay, live on this channel. All right, now this is crash 500 as well. Now let us use this time to check on crash 1000 and bone 1000. All right, remember you can use high lot size, high time frame, like as we did earlier, to take your trade. Now look at it. A market, it met here, and the cross happened here. So we have to enter the market. We enter the market and take our candles. Okay, look at where we take our candles. We take our candles right here when the cross happened, and these 2 have met. Okay, by now we shall have taken our candle before the spike happened. Okay, that is how simple and sweet it can be. And if you are a type that scalp, that you are a scalp addict, you could even scalp with only the main chart. Okay, it cross here, you scalp, just 2 candles, 3 candles exit, it cross here, you scalp. So by this way you can scalp even more than you expect to scalp. All right, you can scalp even more, and you will be comfortably scalping. See it here as well. It met here, it met here, and boom, it moved up, crossed the level of 50 and shoot up. Okay guys, I call it the magic strategy at work, guys. Sorry please guys. Okay, I just want to make it very clear to you guys that this is actually a good mind strategy for you to use to scalp market, grow your account from as low as $5 to high equity. Look at it here, a little, it met here and crossed over here, and look at how movement you have taken. Okay, should we check on the what again? Guys, it has taken us in profit, guys. We have entered profit now. We have entered profit. It has exited us in profit. Okay, but now I can decide to re-enter, or I'll wait for it to cross the moving average 50. Okay, you see how we did it live trade, guys. It is sure trade. HumbleFx is on the HumbleFx is live. Okay, now let me show you the settings of the strategy, guys. The settings of the strategy, so you don't kill me here. Okay guys, now let's go there. That's how we do it. Okay, you know why I will enter again? Because the market is coming from the oversold level upward. Both of them is at oversold level going upward. So once the market cross this black and close above it, I'll enter again for more 5 candles or 3 candles. I just decide it by myself. Okay, so you can decide to take 2 candles, 3 candles, even 1 candles, so that you don't lose, so that you'll be on the safer side. Okay, now let me, but as well, please guys, beware of this small level. You know, here is a level, here was a level, but I didn't respect it. Okay, sometimes the market will just come there and spike, so you should be very careful in these levels around. See it here, see it here. The level was being respected here by all these spikes. It came there, spike, came there, spike, came there, spike. So you should be careful of these little levels. Sometimes they can hold and make you lose money if you think they don't work. Please be careful of them. Okay, now it has closed. It has entered and closed above the 50. So I will enter my market again. I will enter another trade right now for my 5 candles again, or let me choose 3 candles this time. Okay, 9087 plus 5, 9087 plus 5 is 1992. Isn't that I'm not good in mathematics, please. 356. Okay, this is how I do my profit. You set to take profits so that you don't need to watch the market. You just come to see if it has hit your take profit or not. So I have set another 5 candles, 5 pips candles. Okay, so I'll wait. Let us see if it will hit it or it will spike on us. Okay, all right, let's see the settings of the strategy, guys. Okay, settings. You see, this one has not met our requirement. It's still coming down. This one is there but not crossing down. The red is not crossing the purple, so we don't even near it. We don't even try to trade it. Don't try to trade it, guys. All right, let me not take your time much. Let us check our setup. Okay, go to your window indicator, guys. All right, now you see this here. Please, we are only interested in the window indicator 2 and 3 and the main chart. This one here I'm using is for something else I'm trying to find out. Okay, so this one is not among the strategy. All right, now add, I don't know if I should exit, I should do it afresh, or okay, let me just show you the things inside. As usual, I like to put fractals on the main chart. I put fractals because I love to see it on my chart. It's beautiful. Okay, you put your fractals. You just as user default settings, and you change your color and your pixel to your choice, and you click on done. Okay, now we'll have the moving average on the main chart. We'll have the period period is 5, shift is 0, or method is exponential, apply to close, and the style, it should be the color of your choice. All right, and you click on done. All right, the next one here will have another MA13, and shift is 0, exponential, close, the pixel of your choice, and you click on done. Okay, all right, the next MA here will have 50, and shift is 0, exponential, close. I choose black because I use it as a trend line. I use it as a trend line. I use it as a support and resistance levels. So this is the function of this one. Okay, so when a trade crosses it, it means it is going on the other side, or you can stay longer. You can stay longer than user. All right, now we are done with the main chart. If you do that on the main chart, you should see something like this. You should see something like this on the main chart. Okay, all right, this is my line. Oh, please don't think it is among the stuff because some of you will think it is among the setup. Okay, now the in the window indicator 1. All right, I told you guys this one is not among the setup. So in your own, this one should be your window indicator 1. Now, how do you get to this point? You click on the F button on the main chart here to add your RSI, relative strength index. Okay, you now click on that, you will see something like this. You will add relative strength index. Period is 6. Apply to close. Shift style is your background color. Remember your background color. If you have a background color of black, you use black here. But I have white background. That's why I use white background in my own. The levels is level of 90, 10, 20, and 80. Okay, so this is how you do it. You set your levels like this. You can add some things here. Maybe here you can add some things if you like. At level 80 overbought, level 9 oversold, level 10 is for you to buy, level this one is sell. Let us add it so it will make more sense. Abi, overbought is this. All right, oh, sorry for my typing. I don't understand what I'm typing, self. Overbought. All right, is that correct? No, overbought. Now the level of 10 should be oversold. Level 20 should be a buy. Level 80 should be a sell. Okay, then you click on done. All right, and you have it like this. Okay, it's same in the same window, guys. The same window, you add the Ichimoku. Add the Ichimoku. Click on the F button here. Click on the F at this point. Alright, okay, you add the Ichimoku. Ichimoku should be this setup. Okay, 9, 29, 52. You feel it. Remember, this should be filled. You feel it like this, and the Tinku Sen is what you give color. Choose any color of your choice, and every other one should be a background color. Okay, guys, that is the setting for the Ichimoku. You can screenshot it and set it for yourself. Then you click on done. Okay, the next one on that indicator window is MACD. All right, the MACD is the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, close, apply to close. Okay, the main should be your background color. Remember, the main should be your background color. If you're having black background, you choose black here. Then the signal, you choose a different color. I choose gold because I love it. Okay, all right, then you click on done. Now we want to get another indicator window 3. To get here, you click on the F at the main chart as well. Click on the F here. Okay, then you have the relative strength index again. At this point we'll have period is 11. Okay, 11 is period, applies to close. The pixel, the same thing, your background color. Okay, the levels here now is level of 80 and 20. You can decide to give it a description of a choice, but let me just not waste your time in the video. Let us leave it as it is. After all, those things do not make any sense. Okay, you click on done. All right, now the next one in that place is the mark day. Okay, just the one on the other window, you re-add it. Just add the one you added in the other window right now, and you are good to go. Add it and click on done. Okay, now the next thing right there is moving average. Okay, this is moving average 5, shift is 0, exponential is the method, applies to close, and pixel of your choice. I choose green. You can choose my color. Okay, is your choice for color. Then you click on done, and once you have done that, you are good to go. You are good to go, guys. You are good to go. You are good to go. If you have done that, you are good to go. Okay, you see our trade has been exited in profit. Our crash has been exited in profit. Let us check it out. Let us see what is happening in the crash. You see that, guys? We have been in profit and we have taken 10 candles. Imagine that. Imagine how much you have made in that 10 candles. Okay, imagine how much you should have made right now taking 10 candles out of this trade in only this trade alone. Okay, so that is how effective it is. Okay, if you follow the rules and instructions on how it work, you're going to make profit. Look at another entry is coming to me right now, but I'll wait for it to confirm. Look at it. This one curved downward and this one curved downward, and the cross happened in the main chart. Guys, I'm going to enter in market. I'm going to jump in, guys. I'll jump in the market without checking the trend of the market. I'll jump in, guys. Okay, now I think I should this is the strategy, guys. Practice on this strategy on demo. Understand it on demo first before you come live. Okay, please. Now see what's happened here, guys. This is why I say you should take few candles. Okay, you see the cross happened here. Okay, but the cross happened when the cross happened here, guys. You see, guys, when it was happened here, guys, it gave us just a few candles, and the spike happened. That spike went above the previous high. As I told you, you should exit your market at this point. So if you have entered here now, you are taking your loss, take your loss at this point. But look at again, it's come back to enter the profit area. You can re-enter if you did not hold your trade, and look at least you should have made your profits before the spike continues to happen again. Okay, that's how sweet this happened. I call it, guys, the magic strategy. Okay, the magic, don't play with it. That is how it is. Don't play with it. Practice it well and you are good to go. This is the magic strategy. Trade boom and crash, kill boom and crash, and make the market. Never you lose a trade again. Never you lose a trade in this market, guys. More other ones coming up. Stay tuned, and please, if you like the video, please comment on the video or like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Share to your friends if you want to share it, if you love it. Okay, and together we'll grow. Okay, this is HumbleFx signing out. Please have a great day.